Hey, hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Paintable Vaiya. So welcome my new drawing video. Today I'm going to unbox my pastel oil color. So here is a box. I'm going to unbox. So guys, you can see the product name is Joy TiTi Artist Oil Pastel Color. You can see also it has 24 shades on this box. So let's see how it looks. Really, it good qualities and good looks. So let's check out how it could blend. By the way, this is non-toxic product, so no worry about your finger or skin damages. So here is a paste. I'm going to blend it out, and let me show you what looks after blend. So wait for it. So guys, you can see the result. The result is so good, and let me know your opinion in comment section. Now I'll try a little drawing on it, and let's see how it's going to be. Here is it, the result. You can see the result is good. And guys, if you enjoy my video, please do me support, and please subscribe my channel and share this video, and thanks for watching.